Why water is the next global crisis. Water is everywhere, yet it is becoming scarce. For centuries, civilizations rose around rivers, lakes, and groundwater. Today, the same resource that sustained human life is quietly turning into one of the greatest global threats of the 21st century. Unlike wars or pandemic, water crises unfold slowly. They rarely make headlines until taps run dry or cities shut down. But experts warn that water scarcity is no longer a future concern. It is already shaping economies, health systems, food security, and geopolitics across the world. The basic fact: water is finite. Earth may look blue from space, but only 2.5% of all water is fresh water. Of that, most is locked in glaciers or deep underground. Less than 1% is easily accessible for human use. This tiny fraction must support nearly 8 billion people, agriculture, industry, and ecosystems. As population grows, demand increases, but supply does not. Population growth and rising demand. The global population has tripled in the last century, but the water use has grown sixfold. Cities are expanding, lifestyles are changing, and consumption patterns are becoming more water intensive. From daily household use to large-scale manufacturing, demand is accelerating faster than natural replenishment. Agriculture, the biggest water user. Around 70% of global fresh water is used for agriculture crops like rice, wheat, and sugarcane. It requires massive water inputs. As food demand rises, farmers extract more groundwater and divert more rivers. In many regions, irrigation practices are inefficient, leading to enormous wastage. Groundwater depletion. Groundwater acts as the world's hidden water reserve, but across Asia, Africa, and the parts of the United States, aquifers are being drained faster than they can recharge. Once depleted, groundwater can take centuries to recover if it recovers at all. Climate change and water instability. Climate change is disrupting the water cycle. Some regions face intense droughts while others experience destructive floods. Rising temperatures increase evaporation, reduce snowpack, and alter rainfall patterns. Water availability is becoming unpredictable, making planning nearly impossible. Droughts slow but devastate. Droughts do not arrive suddenly. They creep in, damaging crops, drying reservoirs, and forcing migration. Entire regions are becoming semi-permanently water stressed, especially in parts of Africa, the Middle East, South Asia, and Southern Europe. Floods. Too much water at the wrong place. Paradoxically, water scarcity coexists with flooding. Climate change increases extreme rainfall events, overwhelming infrastructure. Flood water is often contaminated and unusable, destroying freshwater systems instead of replenishing them. Urban water stress. Cities concentrate water demand. Rapid urbanization puts pressure on aging infrastructure, leaking pipelines, illegal connections, and poor management waste enormous volumes of water daily. Many megacities are now at the risk of day zero when municipal water supply runs out. Industrial water use. Industries such as textiles, energy, electronics, and mining consume vast amounts of water. In many cases, water is returned polluted, unusable for communities downstream. Industrial growth without regulation accelerates both scarcity and contamination. Pollution reduces availability of fresh water even further. Sewage, industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and plastics contaminate rivers and lakes. In many regions, water exists, but it is unsafe to drink. Health impacts of water scarcity. Unsafe water causes disease, malnutrition, and child mortality. According to global health agencies, millions still lack access to clean drinking water. Water scarcity is also compromises hygiene, increasing the spread of infections. Economic consequences. Water shortages disrupt industries, agriculture, and energy production. Power plants shut down without cooling water. Crops fail and food prices rise. Water stress is increasingly linked to economic instability, migration, and social unrest. When water becomes scarce, people move. Water-driven migration is already occurring in arid regions. regions. Competition over limited resources can fuel social tension and conflict. Water and geopolitics. Rivers do not follow political borders. Over 260 river basins are shared by multiple countries. Disputes over dams, diversions, and access are increasing. Water diplomacy is becoming as important as energy security. Solution or limitation. Desalination, recycling, and smart water management offers solutions, but they are expensive and energy intensive. Technology can help, but it cannot replace natural water systems entirely. Let's talk about the mismanagement and the governance failures. In many places, the crisis is not just about the scarcity. It's about the governance, poor planning, weak regulation, and lack of accountability, which worsens the shortages. Water loss through inefficiency often exceeds loss from nature. Inequality in water access. Water scarcity affects the poor first. Wealthy regions adapt through technology and infrastructure, while vulnerable communities face severe hardships. The water crisis deepens inequality both within and between the nations. Why this crisis is different. Unlike oils or minerals, there is no substitute for water. Economies can shift energy sources, but life cannot replace fresh water. Once water systems collapse, recovery is slow and uncertain. It's a warning from the science. Scientists agree. Water stress will intensify unless consumption patterns, governance, and climate action change. The crisis is not inevitable, but delay makes solutions harder and costlier. Water scarcity is not a distant problem. It is reshaping agriculture, cities, health, economies, and global relations right now. The next global crisis may not begin with a war or a virus, but with empty reservoirs, failing crops, and communities forced to leave their homes. How humanity manages water in the coming decades will define stability, development, and survival itself. If this explainer helps you understand the scale of the water crisis, share it. Awareness is the first step towards preparedness. For more in-depth, fact-based explainers on global risks shaping our future, subscribe to FBB.